Bowling, Bustle, and Atlantis. It's one of my favorite games of all time. Who's going to be in controller then? Me or somebody else? What is it going to be then? Me again. I'm now in controller. Yay! Those players are in Survivor. Those players are now in Survivor. Look at it. I have to bowl. I have to bowl. So pretty nice. This game's so pretty nice and good. I love this game. I love this game. So tricky. Let's win. Come on. You can... He's dead.
The interstate.
Look at it. Come on. Come on. Yes, the players won the game. Yes. Not in my town, you don't.